जम्मू कश्मीर के वज़ीर आला उमर अब्दुल्ला ने चेन्नई में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में महराज मलिक पर PSA के इस्तेमाल पर तनकीद की और जम्मू कश्मीर को रियासत का दर्जा बहाल करने के आज़म का इरादा किया। उन्होंने तमिलनाडु के साथ बेहतर राब्तों, सयाहत और फिल्म शूटिंग में इजाफा और अमन की बहाली की अहमियत पर भी जोर दिया।
Jammu and Kashmir has been promised full statehood by the Prime Minister, by the Home Minister, by representatives of the Government of India when this matter was being argued in front of the Supreme Court. So there is no reason why this promise shouldn't be kept. Again, this is something that should have already happened. I fail to understand why it hasn't been done, but we continue to push. We believe that this promise must be kept and the elected government must be empowered the way the people want it to be. Linked to this is obviously the decision to arrest an honourable MLA. Whatever complaints might have been there about the conduct of the MLA, the law that you have used to detain him is absolutely, as I said, a misuse of that law and an excessive use of force against an elected representative. He should never have been arrested under this law, and the sooner he is released, by all means, if you have a complaint about his conduct, take it up with the Speaker of the Assembly. There are other ways to do it.